Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to get the DeepSeek for your window if you prefer the window version of using the DeepSeek instead of going to the website every now and then. So for DeepSeek, to use it we have to log into the account. So if you click on start now, then you have to create an account first, either using a China phone number or login via Google. So most of the time we will be using this one, login via Google. And if you want to get an app and you scan this QR code, is only available for iOS and Android phone. So if you are using any kind of phone, iPhone or Samsung phone or any other phone, then you can use it on your mobile phone. But what if you want to use it for Windows? Then basically the only option now is to log in via the website. But in this video I'll show you how you can log in to DeepSeek using the desktop. So there is an unofficial DeepSeek for Windows. So this is found on the GitHub website, and this is an open source code. So basically to get the desktop version, we will be using this to download DeepSeek Desktop 1.0.0, and I'll leave this link on the YouTube description below, so just click on it. Basically once we download it, then we can start to install this one. And so once I've downloaded, I will start to install it. And you'll come up with this one because this is open source, so it is safe. So we can just click on this, run anyway, and then you'll start to install the DeepSeek. So once it installs the DeepSeek, then you'll bring us to this page over here, and we have to log in also. It doesn't mean that we don't have to log in, we still have to log in. So let me log into my Google account first. We'll click on this one, log in with Google. And then I will key in my login and I will come back in a while. So you'll be seeing this page as usual. When you try to allow a third-party app to access, then Google will always prompt out this page, just click allow. And there you go. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to interact with DeepSeek just using your window. You still need an internet connection, but you don't have to log into the website and go through the website. So the next time that you want to start your DeepSeek from your window, you can just double click on this one. It is already logged in, so you'll be automatic login and you can start to interact with DeepSeek. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this tutorial do help you. And if you like this video, please subscribe and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.